Okay, hello everyone. My name is Fridolin Franke and I'm one of 3 co-founders of Solar Materials. And we recycle solar panels and are currently raising 2 million euros to build our fully automated pilot plant. By 2050, about 4 billion solar panels must be recycled. And the market will start to grow in Germany or in Europe first, and later will expand to the US and to Asia. While the current recycling numbers are quite low, they will increase exponentially over the next years and reach a raw material value of 4.3 billion euros in 2050. And the total raw material value of the currently installed solar panels is over 15 billion euros. In the current state-of-the-art shredding and sorting recycling process, only some materials, which represent 40% of the raw material value, can be recovered. And especially the functional materials, like the silicon and the silver from the cells, cannot be recovered and are just lost. With our technology, we are able to recover all materials from solar panels, and by that increase the raw material revenue by 150% to 620 euros per ton. This enables us to offer the recycling at 50% lower costs than competitors. Our technology has the following major advantages. So our recycling line has an amortization time of under 1 year. We don't get any toxic or harmful emissions. We don't use chemicals, and we can handle clear and broken glass panels. Currently, we do a recycling campaign of 1,000 panels with our TRL7 recycling plants, which will be finished by end of July. And our technology consists on 3 major steps as a core innovation, which is a thermomechanical separation of the different layers and then the recovery of all raw materials. To secure our IP, we filed 3 patents. The first one was on the whole process, or the core process, which involves the loosening of the layer bonding, which is a process and device patent. The second one is to minimize the emissions of the process. And the third one is that we're using cloud data for our process control and adjustments, and by that get a higher purity of the raw materials and also be more energy efficient. Compared to other technologies, our approach is the only one that combines a profitability without a recycling fee. We recover all raw materials, and we get a high throughput, and compared to the other technologies, we have a low invest. How do we make money? We generate revenue both from the recycling fee and also from the selling of the raw materials. And as I said before, we offer the recycling at 50% lower costs and sell the raw materials at market prices. But these recovered raw materials have a lower carbon footprint than primary raw materials. And our plan is to be or reach the break-even in 2024 with operating of 2 recycling plants. On our go-to-market, we work closely with different industrial and scientific partners. And on the technology side, we work with scientific institutes and also mechanical engineering companies to optimize our process continually and to fully automate our technology. On the market side, we let potential customers and external laboratories analyze our materials, and they already confirmed that we get a way higher purity or quality of our raw materials than the state-of-the-art processes. For growing up, we work together with established recycling companies. Our next step is to fully automate our technology until April next year. And after that, we will build up the first commercial recycling plant until the end of 2023. And after that, for the scale-up, we will build more recycling plants in a side-sharing or licensing model with these established recycling companies. Our funding team consists of 3 people, and we combine a solid technical solution with a clear market focus and a strong network. With our technology, we're targeting different ESG goals, and by closing the raw material cycle of the photovoltaics, we also get raw materials which have which have 80% less energy consumption than other primary raw materials. And by that, we also have raw materials with a lower carbon footprint. And by that, help the energy transition to a sustainable future. And currently, we're raising 2 million euros to build this fully automated pilot plant. And of this funding round, already 1.1 million euros is committed by our current investor. So we're looking for a co-investor of 1.1 million. So if you're interested in investing in us and to lead the recycling revolution of the solar industry, please get in touch. Thank you.